Busy weeks feel productive. Charts tell you if you grew the right crop, not just more trays. Analytics turns harvest and sales history into decisions. Analytics is at plantmood.farm. It aggregates post-harvest performance, batches, yields, revenue, costs, and margins into KPIs and charts you can review weekly. It is empty until you have harvested batches, and then it becomes one of the most valuable screens in the manager. A header filter switches between by week and by month, controlling the grain on the yield trend chart. Farm Health KP is sit across the top. Tasks done percentage, overdue task count, best sales channel, and low stock seed alerts. A quick pulse before you dive into crop data. The crop performance table is sortable. Columns cover crop, batches, success rate, average yield per tray, average cycle days, revenue, cost per gram, and margin. Click any column header to sort. This table answers the question that actually matters. Which crop pays, not which crop looks prettiest. The yield trend chart covers the last 6 months with an area series for total yield in grams and a line series for harvest count. Use it to spot seasonal dips, ramp-ups, or a variety you should quietly drop from the lineup. An insight strip at the bottom gives 3 plain language takeaways: best yield crop, best margin crop, and equipment investment total pulled from your inventory. Useful for a weekly team check-in without needing to build a slide. The best way to use this page is in a short weekly review alongside finances and orders. What to plant more of, what to cut, whether the shop channel is worth the labor, and whether your success rate on a variety justifies keeping it in the recipe library. If the page is empty, a link takes you straight to batches to start logging harvests. Numbers without a meeting change nothing, but the meeting needs numbers. Analytics is under manager in the sidebar.